A lot of people wonder what Opti-Coat is, and in this video I'm going to describe what the benefits are. Some of its benefits are it's permanent, it is incredibly hydrophobic, so water will literally slide right off of it. So when you're washing your car, when it's raining outside, water is not going to stick, it's just going to roll right off of the surface, making drying the vehicle a lot easier, faster, and also when it comes to just washing the car, the dirt will just slide right off. You really won't have to put any aggressive rubbing or harsh chemicals on there because the coating will do all that for you. It's resistant to bird etching, tree sap, and water spotting. So any of these elements that get onto the coating and happen to stay for an extended period of time, a couple days, maybe a week at most before you get a chance to clear it off, it's not going to etch into the actual clear coat surface, leaving a mark. It might be a little dark at first, but then the coating will come back with a little bit of UV enhancement. Many people have been wondering if Opti-Coat is safe for their vehicle. The answer is yes. It's safe for all the finishes of your vehicle, interior and exterior. It can be used on your RV, your boat, your quad, anything that has a painted surface, it can help protect it. A lot of people have been wondering, how long does Opti-Coat last? The truth is, Opti-Coat is permanent. It creates a chemical bond that cross-links between the coating and the clear coat surface of the car, which means the only way to remove it is to actually polish it away from the car. I've got a question before, do I need to handle the paint surface any differently now that the coating is on there? And the truth is no, you're totally fine. If you have a 2-bucket wash method or a single bucket wash method that you prefer every Sunday to wash the car with, that's totally fine. Opti-Coat has provided a maintenance routine and schedule that you can also follow that makes life a lot easier when you're taking care of your car and coating. A more common question that I get, of course, is how long does this process take? This process can take anywhere from 16 hours to upwards of 20, upwards of 30 hours. It really depends on how scratched and marred the clear coat is. And what we do before we put the coating on there is we correct the paint to minimize the appearance of those scratches and increase the shine of the clear coat. Most common installs take about a day, so we'll have the car for 16 hours and then you pick it up the next day. So if you have more questions, all of our contact information is below, and we'd be happy to assist you any way that you need, answer any questions you still have.